Hello from Slovenia again. As I promised, I want to show you some of my dry and varnished results. This one is an old painting that it wasn't done on camera. This one, I think that I did it on camera. Yes, I did. This one is one of from my lives. I will try to catch this iridescent, but I think that I can't. This one is the one that I didn't do on camera, direct pour. The first one is sold already, so I will go from this side. This is the black and gold and pearl white one. I can't show you all the shimmer. This one is the desert with these beautiful trees here. This one was also done off camera, but it's beautiful. And this one is done off camera too. Heartbeat, black and white heartbeat. This is the dustpan, but yes, dustpan pour with copper, I think. It's beautiful. So let's go here. This is this hexagon. It is beautiful. See how shimmery they are. And this one I did off camera with the same paints that left. So I like this one too. And here are two flowers from my life. The hibiscus flower and this one, I love them. And these sisters on the red background, I love them too. Especially this one. I have something. I'm here in my future studio, but we're still working. And magenta too, two magenta background flowers. And this one is from my life. It's on a violet background, but doesn't show. This one is, Mina chose these colors for this one. Maybe if you see, it's purple. It has this beautiful blue here. It's just beautiful, and I have to bring this one up if I want to show you. This one is done with iridescent blue-black and interference blue, and it's really beautiful, but I have to show it to you like this, otherwise you will not see. See, here's the light, it's better. So this is just one flower that I did, I don't know when. And this is this 8x8 from one of my lives. I really love this painting, I don't know, it reminds me of two hands reaching to something. And this one has really deep edge, 6 centimeters deep edge, and a lot of gorgeous details. And if you remember these sisters, this is gold mostly. Maybe I should bring you. Oh, I don't know if you catch this. Okay, and probably, oops, sorry. Here is a lot of iridescent paints. It's iridescent blue-green here, and iridescent orange-yellow also. But I can't show you. But it's beautiful. I love it. I love, oops, sorry, this color combination. I will just put this few paintings aside. A lot of gorgeous details. And this one is similar from my life too, with indigo and permanent magenta and this bronze gold, and just gorgeous. And another one from my life. This is wrecked ring pour over the bottle bottom. You see? Just beautiful. All these lines, and I love this flower here in the middle. It's glowing, kind of. I just can't show you all the beauty on camera, but you already know that. See, all these lines and colors are just gorgeous. And our goddess, this one is sold. And I can't show you the true color neither. I'll try to, but I can't. Gorgeous lines. Colors are just stunning. And the last one is done with primary elements in my last life. With pigments. I love it. And I have a problem with this one too. So just shimmery and gorgeous. So these are my varnished paintings. So please tell me in the comments if maybe you want to buy something. Should I do a live auction? I forgot to show you these two. This one and this one. So I will do a close-up when I will do preview for the live auction. Just tell me if you want to. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.